Welcome, dear learners, to the Module 7, that is the Management of Human and Material Resources in School. So we shall discuss about the planning for human and material resource management. So this video has been divided into two parts, and this unit, that is the planning for human and material resources management. In the first part of the video, we shall discuss about the concept of human resource management in school administration, and in the second part of this unit, we shall discuss about the material resources and the effective utilization of material and physical resources in schools. So let us now have a look on the objectives of this video. So the primary objective of this video are to discuss the concept of human resource management, to explain the concept of human resource management in school administration, then the role and responsibilities of school administrators in managing human resources. So let us first discuss the concept of resources. Resources refers to the assets, material and the capabilities that organizations utilize to achieve their objectives and meet their needs. In the context of school or in an educational system, so resources are the elements that educational institutions require to deliver, quality education and support the learning processes. So dear learners, let us now discuss the different types of resources. Let us first discuss about the human resources. So human resources are the individuals who work within the school. They include the teachers, the administrators, the support staffs and other employees. They are critical resources as they contribute their knowledge, their skills and their expertise to fulfill the school's mission. Again, human resource also encompass the relationships and collaborations among staff members, which are really very essential for effective teamwork and a positive work environment. They include, the governing body, the head of the institutions, like the principal of the school or the headmaster, and the vice principal or the teachers, the students and the non-teaching staff of the schools. Now, let us discuss about the material resources. So material resources are the tangible assets used by the schools to support the teaching and learning system. This category, that is the material resources, it includes textbooks, the curriculum materials, the teaching aids, the laboratory equipments, the computers, of course the furnitures and other physical resources. Material resources, it provides the necessary tools and infrastructure for educators to facilitate effective instructions, and it create a conducive learning environment for the students. It also includes facilities and infrastructures which refer to the physical spaces and structures within the school premises, which includes classrooms, it includes libraries, laboratories, sports facilities, administrative offices and other areas required to support educational activities. We will get some more idea about the material resources in the next part of the video. Now let's move forward towards the financial resources. So what is financial resources? It refers to the monetary assets available to the schools. These resources include the budget allocated by the government or the governing body. It includes the tuition fees, grants, sometimes donations and other funding resources. Financial resources are crucial for various aspects of school operations, such as paying salaries, purchasing educational materials, maintaining the facilities of the school and funding extracurricular activities. Now let us have some idea on the concept of technological resources. Technological resources encompass the hardware or the software and also the digital tools utilized in the educational setting or in the school. This includes computers, tablets, interactive whiteboards, then educational softwares then learning management systems, and internet connectivity. Technological resources enable the integration of technology into teaching and learning process. And it facilitates digital literacy, access to information, and innovative instructional methods. So dear learners, effective management and utilization of the resources that we have discussed are really very crucial for schools to provide a high quality education and to create an optimal learning environment. Let us now move forward and discuss the concept of human resource management. We all know that people are the vital elements in any organization. And human resource management means managing people, and it includes human resource planning, it includes job analysis, job designing, then acquisition, training them, develop the resources, that is the human resources, then paying them the compensation, the salaries, the benefits, then providing them with the safety and health facilities, then motivating the employees, then employee participation in management, then evaluation of their job. So all this includes in human resource management. So by now we have discussed about human resource management in general. So when we talk about human resource, they are the source of strength, ability, competence, skills, creativity, knowledge, values, then efficiency, decision-making powers, and enthusiasm. And these qualities of human resource should always be developed so that they can be effectively utilized for accomplishment of organizational, individual, societal, and national objectives. Human resource management in general is the process of acquiring, developing, retaining a high-performing workforce. And it plays a really very crucial role in all aspects of an institution's operations, including any educational institution or any school. So when we talk about human resource management in context of school, it refers to the specific application of human resource practices and strategies within the educational institution. It involves managing the various aspects related to recruitment, selection, development, then motivating the employees of the educational institution and retaining the educators and staff members in order to create a positive work environment and support the overall mission and goal of the educational institution or the school. So in context of school, human resource management focuses on some key areas that we shall be discussing in this video. So let us first discuss about recruitment and selection. So human resource management always responsible for attracting and selecting qualified individuals to fill teaching and administrative positions within the school. This includes developing job descriptions, then advertising the vacancies, screening of the applicants, then conducting interviews and making the hiring decision that align with the school needs and requirement. Let us now move towards orientation and onboarding. So human resource management ensures that new employees are properly welcomed and they are integrated into the school's community. Orientation and onboarding involves providing orientation programs to familiarize with the new hires, with the school culture, the school policies, the procedures and expectations, as well as facilitating their smooth transition into their roles. Human resource management supports the ongoing professional growth. So professional development also includes in human resource management. Professional development includes identifying training needs, then organizing workshops for the staff members of the educational institution, then organizing seminars or conferences and encouraging continuous learning opportunities to enhance teaching practices and promote career advancement. Then performance management is a really very important aspect of human resource management. Human resource management establishes performance evaluation process to assess and provide feedback on the performance of the educator or the staff member. It involves setting, performance goals, conducting regular evaluations, providing constructive feedback, and recognizing and rewarding exceptional performance, thereby fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Now let us talk about employee engagement and well-being. Human resource management plays a vital role in promoting employee engagement and well-being within the school or educational institution. This can be achieved through initiatives such as creating opportunities for collaborations and also teamwork, then facilitating open communication channels, then recognizing and appreciating employees' contribution towards the organization, the school, or the educational institution, and providing support program for employee wellness. Again, the conflict resolution and employee relation is a very important aspect of human resource management, which handles employee relation matters, and it resolves conflict within the school community. And this includes addressing grievances, then mediating disputes, then promoting effective communication and positive relationships among colleagues, creating a harmonious work environment in the school or in the educational institution. Again, compensation and benefits are an important aspect of human resource management. It manages the administration of salaries, benefits, and other compensation packages for educators and other staff members in compliance with applicable laws and regulations. It also ensures fair and equitable compensation practices to attract and retain qualified professionals. Now discuss about the compliance and policy implementation. So human resource management ensures compliance with the employment laws, then regulations and policies. It develops and implements policies and procedures related to employment contracts, sometimes the leave management, the health and safety, equal opportunity, and other relevant areas. So overall, human resource management in the context of school is really very vital for attracting and retaining high quality educators and staff members, fostering a positive work culture, supporting professional growth, and creating an environment conducive to student success and achievement. By effectively managing human resources, schools can optimize the talents and abilities of their employees, leading to enhanced educational outcomes and a thriving learning environment. So dear learners, let us now discuss the role and responsibilities of school administrators in managing human resources. School administrators plays a very critical role in managing human resources within the educational institutions. And their responsibilities encompass various aspects of human resource management, ensuring the school has a talented and motivated workforce to support its mission and provide a conducive learning environment. So, let us discuss some of the key roles and responsibilities of school administrators in managing human resources. The first is the workforce planning and recruitment. Administrators are responsible for analyzing the school staff needs, both in terms of quantity and quality. They develop workforce plan and strategies to ensure that the school has a right number of teachers and staff with the necessary qualifications and expertise. This includes overseeing recruitment processes, then establishing job descriptions, advertising the vacancies, reviewing the application, then conducting interviews to select the most suitable candidate. Then is the hiring and onboarding that we have already discussed in general. So school administrators are involved in the hiring process, making a final decision on candidate selection and extending job offers. They ensure a smooth onboarding process for the new employee or the teacher, the staff member, which includes providing necessary paperwork, then facilitating orientation programs, introducing them to the school's culture, their policies, the procedures, and helping them integrate into the school community. Again, the administrator are responsible for establishing performance management system to monitor and evaluate the performance of the teacher and staff members. The administrators set performance expectations and goals. They conduct regular performance evaluations, they provide feedback and recognize and reward outstanding performance of the staff member or the teacher or the other members of the school. The administrator may also identify the areas for improvement and implement professional development plan to enhance employees' performance in the school. Again, administrators facilitate and support the ongoing professional development for the teachers and the staff. They identify training needs, they organize workshops, conferences, and sometimes other professional development opportunities to enhance teaching practices. Also to foster innovation and to promote continuous learning among the educators. Administrators also allocate resources and create a supportive environment for employees to pursue further education and training for the staff. Administrators also has a role in the employee relations and engagement. They foster positive employee relations and work to create an engaging and supportive work environment. They promote effective communication channel. They encourage collaborations and teamwork. They address the employee concerns and grievances, and they also foster a culture of respect and inclusion. Administrators also organize staff appreciation events and recognize the contribution of the staff members, maybe teachers or employees of the school to boost morale and job satisfaction. Again, the administrators ensure compliance with the employment laws, the regulations and the school policies that we have already discussed, and they stay updated on the legal requirement related to employment contracts, working condition, the salaries, the benefits, and other any kind of HR matters. They work to create policies and procedures that align with the legal frameworks and ensure fairness, equity, and adherence to labor laws. Administrators are also involved in the succession planning to identify and develop future leaders within the school. They assess talent, provide mentorship opportunities, and create leadership development programs to cultivate the next generation of administrators and ensure smooth transition in key positions in the school. Administrators also handle employees' conflict, which is really very crucial role that they play. They handle the grievances, they handle the disciplinary matters also. They mediate the dispute, facilitate resolutions and ensure a fair and transparent process. Administrators also provide support to the employees facing the personal or professional challenges, offering resources or referrals to help them overcome difficulties they are facing. So by fulfilling these roles and responsibilities, school administrators contribute to effective human resource management, which in turn supports a positive work environment, enhances the employees' performance and job satisfaction, and ultimately benefits students' achievement and success. So dear learners, with this we have come to the end of the first part of this video. We discussed about the concept of resources and their significance in school. We highlighted the different types of resources, including the human resource, the material resource, the financial resource, and also the technological resources, and the emphasis and the importance of effectively managing and utilizing these resources that we have discussed to provide quality education and create a optimal learning environment. Again, we got a fair idea about the human resource management in general and in school or in educational institution, outlining its key areas such as recruitment and selection, orientation, then professional development, performance management, then employee engagement and well-being, conflict resolution, compensation, benefits, compliance, and policy implementation. Furthermore, we also discuss about the role and responsibilities of school administrators in managing human resource, including the workforce planning, the recruitment, again the hiring process, the performance management, the succession planning and leadership development, conflict resolution, and employee support. All this emphasizes that effective human resource management by the school administrator is really very crucial for creating a positive work culture, supporting the professional growth, and ultimately enhancing the educational outcomes and the student achievement. Dear learners, in the next video, we shall discuss about the material resources such as school plant, school library, school hostel, blackboards and whiteboards, also the school records and the registers, and the textbook and educational materials. And also we shall discuss about the effective utilization of material and physical resources in school. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you again.